Think 200 grams of ground meat isn't enough to make something amazing? Think again. Today, we're turning a few everyday ingredients into a crispy, golden, flavor-packed dish that's seriously addictive. And I'm sharing a little secret at the end that takes it to the next level, so stick around. 1 grated onion. We're using 200 grams of ground meat mixed with 300 grams of grated potatoes, but hey, feel free to adjust the ratio to your taste. Like it meatier? Add more beef. Prefer it lighter? Let the potatoes shine. It's totally up to you. Just crack in 1 egg, that's all you need. Garlic paste. Here's an important tip. The magic of this cutlet is in the spices, especially golpar, or Persian hogweed. It gives the dish a unique, almost magical flavor that sets it apart. If you don't have the powdered version, just grind the seeds yourself. We'll also add turmeric, black pepper, and salt, but trust me, golpar is the real star here. This is actually my brother's favorite dish. He asks for it every time he visits. Make sure to squeeze out all the moisture from the grated onion and potatoes, really get them as dry as possible. This step is key for a crispy, perfect texture. Don't add more than 1 egg, just 1 is enough. And if your mixture turns out too soft, add a spoonful of flour. You can use regular flour or rice flour, whichever you prefer. Mix everything really well and give it a good knead like you mean it. Then let the mixture rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes. It helps the flavors come together and makes shaping easier. Make sure the oil is nice and hot before you start frying. Shape the cutlets in your hands however you like, round, oval, flat, it's totally up to you. Then gently place them in the hot oil and let the magic begin. Kotlet isn't just food, it's a memory. For many of us, it brings back childhood lunches, the smell of it frying in mom's kitchen, or sandwiches packed with love for school trips. It's simple, crispy, and full of warmth, just like home. Let them fry until both sides are beautifully golden and crispy. Don't rush it, good things take time. Listen to that sizzle music to any home cook's ears. Just a few more minutes and these beauties will be golden, crispy, and ready to steal the show. Honestly, the hardest part is not eating them straight out of the pan. Fried tomatoes on the side? Oh yes, so simple, but they pair perfectly with these cutlets. Now let's throw in a few tomato slices, because what's a cutlet without some juicy, caramelized tomatoes on the side? Just a light fry until they're soft and slightly golden. Trust me, they take this meal to a whole new level. Serve it with some fresh herbs, pickles, and warm sangak bread. It's a classic combo that never disappoints. Just look at that crispy golden crust, pure comfort on a plate. If this cutlet made your mouth water even just a little, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you won't miss what's cooking next. And hey, drop a comment and tell me, what's your ultimate childhood comfort food? The recipe for this delicious pickle is right up here, don't miss it. And as always, cooked with love, shared with joy, and sent with a big virtual hug. Love you all. See you soon.